start off shooting the Tokarev. Just going to do a back-to-back shoot of Luger and a high power, both German World War II pistols. This one's the Luger. And the high power. So yeah, thank you.